At Laser and Aesthetics, we offer a wide range of laser and aesthetic devices, and one of the best ways to save money on your purchase is by choosing our used equipment options. Buying pre-owned or reconditioned devices can mean massive savings compared to purchasing brand new equipment. You can browse our used equipment page to view what's currently available, and we also act as an advertising channel for clients looking to sell their own devices. When purchasing used equipment, it's important to check whether the device is sold by Laser and Aesthetics or by a third-party clinic. We provide independent advice, but are not responsible for sales from third-party sellers. One of the key aspects of buying used devices is managing expectations. Remember, if a brand new laser system costs PS 65,000 VAT, you're unlikely to find a one-year-old system for PS 5,000. We can source a wide range of aesthetic and laser equipment, including diode lasers, Alexandrite and ND, lasers, tattoo removal lasers, and devices for fat reduction and skin tightening. If you don't find what you're looking for, contact us. We may be able to source it for you. The biggest advantage of buying used is, of course, the lower cost. But factors like age, usage, service history, and available support play a huge role in determining the price of a pre-owned device. If you're buying from a private seller, we recommend checking for a transferable warranty, seeing a working demonstration, and verifying the service history and condition of the device. When purchasing through Laser and Aesthetics, you'll receive additional support, including pre-purchase assessments, installation, ongoing servicing, and training. You can even take advantage of our part exchange options. Our used equipment includes reconditioned devices, second-hand machines, and even ex-demonstration units that may be brand new, but just out of their original packaging. Ready to make a smart investment? Visit our used equipment page or download our free buying guide for more information. Let Laser and Aesthetics help you find the right device at the right price with the support you need. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more informative videos. If you had any questions, leave them in the comments below,